English grammar lesson. Present continuous, I am doing. Sarah is in her car. She is on her way to work. She's driving to work. Equals she is driving. She is driving now, at the time of speaking. The action is not finished. I am talking. She is driving. Am is, are plus, ing is the present continuous. I am doing something equals I started doing it and I haven't finished, I'm in the middle of doing it.
Please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work. Not I try.
Maria is cooking. Not, she has cooked. Sometimes the action is not happening at the time of speaking. For example, Mia is talking to a friend on the phone. She says,
Jay, I'm reading a really good fairy tale at the moment. It's about a princess who...
Mia says, I'm reading, but she is not reading the book at the time of speaking. She means that she has started reading the book, but has not finished it yet. She is in the middle of reading it. Kate wants to work in Italy. So she's learning Italian. But she is not learning right now. Right now, she is doing yoga. You can use the present continuous with today, this week, this year, etc. periods around now.
You're working hard today.
Yes, I have a lot to do. The company I work for isn't doing so well this year.
We use the present continuous when we talk about a change that has started to happen. We often use these verbs in this way. Getting, becoming.
Is your English getting better? Does your English get better?
Starting, beginning.
At first I didn't like my job. I'm starting to enjoy it now.
Present simple, I do. Alex is a bus driver, but now he is in bed asleep. He is not driving a bus. He is asleep. But he drives a bus. He is a bus driver. We slash you slash they drive slash work slash do etc. He, she slash it drives slash works slash does etc. We use the present simple to talk about things in general. We use it to say that something happens all the time or repeatedly. Or that something is true in general. Jane is a nurse. Nurses look after patients in hospitals. The cafe opens at 7:30 in the morning. We say I, you, we, they work. And we say he, she, it works. We use do, does to make questions and negative sentences.
I come from Canada. Where do you come from?
I don't go out very often.
In the following examples, do is also the main verb do you do, doesn't do etc.
What do you do?
I work in a shop.
We use the present simple to say how often we do things.
I get up at 8 o'clock every morning.
How often do you run?
I run almost every day.
Present continuous and present simple. Tom and Eve are eating pancakes. Now. They eat pancakes every Sunday morning.
Let's go out. It isn't raining now.
Yes. It doesn't rain very much in summer.